Hi guys, my name is Bhooki and welcome to my channel. In this sewing tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sew claw marks on your t-shirt. So this t-shirt is for my nephew whose birthday is coming up. You can use an old t-shirt or just sew a new one from scratch because this is very easy to make. So without wasting your time, let's get to it. These are the tools I will be using. A rotary cutter, a chalk, a red jersey fabric for the underlayer, a t-shirt collar and sleeve bands, a front and back t-shirt body panels. This is a men's t-shirt and I have a video on how to cut this linked in the description box below. To begin, I'm going to decide where I want to place the claw marks. It can be anywhere on either or both the front and back panels. You have to use your imagination to make this realistic. Think about it this way. If a bear attacked you, where would the claw marks be? Probably on your face, but God forbid. I'm going to place mine at the center of the front panel. Next, I'm going to measure how long I want the first claw mark to be because this would be the basis for the other claws. Also, the claw marks are going to be diagonal. This is not necessary as you can freestyle it. Once I decide the length, I'm going to draw 3 diagonal lines that are roughly 2 centimeters apart. These lines are not equal in length as the goal is to mimic real claw marks. Next, I'm going to place the red fabric on the lines to see if it fits and covers the lines. This way, I can make adjustments. As you can tell, the red fabric represents blood. Just so you know, the red fabric will be placed on the wrong side. Once I'm done and satisfied with how it looks, I'm going to use my rotary cutter to cut through the lines. If you don't have a rotary cutter, you can use a seam ripper to make initial cuts before using scissors. Once I'm done, this is what it looks like. Next, I'm going to place the red fabric on the wrong side of the front panel over the cut lines, making sure that it covers all the cut lines. Just so you know, the right side of the red fabric is facing up. The right side of the red fabric is peeking through the cut lines. Once I do this, I'm going to gently spread the lines apart, revealing the red fabric underneath. Next, I'm going to secure them with some pins to keep them in place. Because this is a stretch fabric, you need to be very careful so you don't overstretch it. While we're learning, please can I ask you to support me by subscribing to my channel. This is free without any cost to you. Also, please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you're watching so far. This means a lot to me and it tells me that you enjoy my sewing tutorials. Thank you in advance. Once I'm done, this is what it looks like. Next, I'm going to take this over to my sewing machine and top stitch. I will be sewing on a 2mm sewing allowance all through to secure the fabrics in place. Once I'm done, this is what it looks like, all nice and clean. Next, I'm going to trim off the excess fabric just to make it cleaner. If you have a serger or an overlocker, you can use this as well. Next, I'm going to finish up the rest of the t-shirt. I have a detailed step-by-step video on how to sew men's t-shirts, which I would link in the card above and in the description box below. Please watch it as I'm going to speed through this. Once I'm done, this is the finished look. I'm sure he's going to love it. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and please do not forget to subscribe. And also turn on your notification bell so you can be the first to know when I have a new video up. If you have any questions, please put them in the comment section below and I'll try and get back to you as soon as I can. Until next time, my loves, have a good morning, afternoon or night. Bye.